Hello, a little something different here. I just wanted to show this stew I made today. It's something new I've never tried. It's called African peanut stew, and it's really tasting good. I made it a spicy, and you chop up cilantro and put on top, and it has peanut butter and yams, and I used cherry peppers I had frozen from the freezer, chickpeas. I added carrots and a winter squash because I had one, and garlic and fresh ginger and dried ginger, chili powder, cayenne, and peanut butter. Anyway, and I have in the oven some peanuts roasting, raw peanuts, to put on top. Anyway, I made this because I saw a woman named Willow from Willow Cottage who is trying to, eat healthy, eat better for her personal and mental health. Anyway, she seems like a really nice lady, lives in California. I just wanted her to see that I whipped up a pot of the stew she made. Anyway, take care. Hope you enjoy your day. Bye.